Alright, so, yeah, I'm not losing my mind. I got a fender on here. This one is not adjusted either, so I'm going to show you why in a minute, because I just wanted to give you guys a rundown of this. It's kind of neat. It's a really good idea. Um, a lot of people use the metal fenders, and what happens is they'll vibrate and break off, from the different points. And what they do is they wrap around the tire, and these metal bars usually will grab it and suck your rim in as it's rolling and kill you. And same for the back, it happens to those too. So these are a bit different. It's not what you think. Now, it's got a full metal hanger. And if it did grab the tire, it's got a nifty little thing where these will actually disconnect right here, pop out, and fling around, but they're not going to wrap to your tire and kill you. It's like a safety disconnect. So that's pretty cool. The other thing is these are not metal. These are ABS, and a lot of people have used these on the motorized bicycles now because even with the vibration, the grommets don't eat away. It's like dampened by the plastic. So, and the other thing too that's cool is since these are plastic, if they go around, I mean, they're going to shatter, rip apart, tangle up and stuff and break, but chances are they're not going to fold your tire into a U and kill you. So a lot of people have been using these on motorized bicycles. The other thing to note, they give you these spacers here, and that's to clear if you have a disc brake. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, the back, you can't completely go by. I mean, it fits great. I actually had to go over the top, and it's not this item's fault. What it is I made the lowrider stretch frame, and when I tilted it, it's bent a little, the frame itself, when I had to weld it, so it's not exactly, perfect for a fender. Anyways, any fender. But I did mount it, and I went all the way around it pretty decently, even over the little brake bar. So we're going to try that. But I just wanted to show you when they're done, and you get them to where you want them. It's got a thing that goes over the end of the spoke and then around these nuts, and it's actually a locking washer to keep it from, unturning. But just so you guys can see, it's got a full metal, U-bracket up in there, and then they're attached by rivet. So right in here too, they have a bracket that slides on. You can bolt to this, and I cannot, because like I said, the frame, so you can't go by that. And then down here they give you some stuff to mount it to that one. So all in all, it's looking cool. It clears my tires. I have full 2.5 inch tires, or what are these, 2.25, right? Let's see, I believe it's a big beach cruiser tire. We are 26 2.125. That's what I have on here. So they pretty much cover those. I mean, there's maybe that much each side, but anyways, this is an 80cc. Yeah, it's got a reed valve and stuff, but it's just an 80cc kit. This is the one I'm going to be doing the head testing on, regular exhaust. I threw it on here, and I'm going to be trying these to see if they vibrate free or any of that crazy stuff. I still, like I said, got to set that front one, correct heights and stuff yet. I haven't got there. But the installation is pretty easy. You bolt it down here, bolts up here, and you trim your rod to length. You leave about a half inch up above it. Cap slides on it, pulls over these, locks them in place. So everything comes with lock nuts and stuff on top of that. So they're kind of like double protecting everything here. Not bad. And that's it. So I'm gonna get that one, adjusted height-wise right. Put my little safety caps on it, and we'll see how long it lasts. If they really hold up. But a lot of people have given these good reviews. And I figured, why not? I ride this up and down the road all the time. And if it's wet, I won't get my back covered and stuff. But here is the actual product. It's called the Commuter 2. But yeah, they got a bunch of different ones and all kinds of stuff here. Anything on back? No. So, but anyways, I thought you guys enjoy that because a lot of people want fenders. And this is supposed to be a safety fender that won't wrap around your tire and kill you. It's supposed to detach, let loose. So, I guess we'll find out if it fails, right? But anyways, it's got maybe 500 reviews now, all different size tires, of people using these on motorized bicycles, and I don't see one negative review yet, so I am going to give it a go and see what it is. But this is the first time I've heard of them. Someone mentioned them the other day, and here we go.